Armpit stains on clothing can be an unwelcome and embarrassing issue that many of us face. Whether caused by sweat, deodorant, or a combination of both, these stains can leave our favorite shirts looking worn and unattractive. The good news is that with a few simple tips and tricks, you can effectively remove armpit stains and restore your clothes to their former glory. In this video, we'll explore various methods for how to remove armpit stains from clothing and keep your wardrobe looking fresh. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the Printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Today, I'll cover how to remove armpit stains from your clothing. First, let's answer the question, what causes armpit stains to appear on your clothing? We'll begin by understanding armpit stains. Before diving into the removal process, it's essential to understand what causes them so we can prevent them in the future. These types of stains are typically a result of the combination of sweat and antiperspirant or deodorant. The substances in these products can react with the proteins in sweat, leading to a yellowish or brownish discoloration that we commonly see on our clothing. Now let's look at the materials you'll need to remove these stains. Many of these can be found in your kitchen. Number one, you'll need white vinegar. Next, you'll need to grab some baking soda. Next, you'll go for the medicine cabinet and grab some hydrogen peroxide. You'll also need lemon juice or some lemons where you can make your own. You'll also need some regular white table salt. And finally, you'll need some laundry detergent. It also helps if you have an old toothbrush. For an added benefit, you can grab some pre-treatment stain remover. Now let's look at a few methods to remove these armpit stains. In step one, we're going to pre-treat the stains. Before laundering, pre-treat the armpit stains with a stain remover or a mixture of equal parts white vinegar and water. Allow your stained item to sit for at least 15 to 30 minutes to help break down the stain. Another method is to make a baking soda paste. You can create your own paste by mixing baking soda with water to apply it to the stained area. Then you'll gently scrub it with an old toothbrush and let it sit for an hour before washing. Another stain removal method involves lemon juice and salt. You will want to combine your lemon juice and salt to form a paste. Then apply the paste to the stain and let it sit for 30 minutes and then wash as usual. Lemon's natural bleaching properties can help remove any discoloration. The next method is to use hydrogen peroxide. To use this method, mix hydrogen peroxide with water using a 1-to-1 ratio and apply it to the stain. To allow this treatment to work, let it sit for 30 minutes before laundering. If you are working with colors, test on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure that it won't bleach or damage your fabric. You can also try soaking your stained item in white vinegar. To use this method, you'll soak the stained garment in a mixture of white vinegar and water using a 1-to-1 ratio for 30 minutes before washing. Don't underestimate the power of white vinegar because it breaks down the compounds causing the stains. After using these steps, you'll want to do your regular laundry routine. If you've applied any of these treatments to your laundry, you may want to wash your items separately to be sure you don't harm other fabrics. Then use a good quality laundry detergent and follow the care instructions on your garment. Also, I would wash the clothing in cold water, as hot water can set in the stains. Now that we've removed the stains, let's look at some preventive measures to keep these stains from returning. The first tip is to allow your deodorant to dry before getting dressed. When you do so, it will minimize the contact with your fabric. Another tip is to choose the right deodorant. To do this, you want to opt for deodorants that are aluminum-free, as aluminum is a common contributor to yellowish stains. Another tip is to rotate your wardrobe. To do this, you'll give your clothes a break in between wearing them to allow them to air out and reduce the buildup of sweat and deodorant. Armpit stains can seem like a persistent problem, but with the right approach, you can effectively remove them and prevent future occurrences. Experiment with the methods mentioned here, and remember to always check the garment care labels before applying any treatment. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy stain-free clothing and boost the longevity of your favorite wardrobe pieces. So say goodbye to armpit stains and hello to fresh, clean laundry. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you are looking to get more organized, I can help with that too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there's likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons you failed to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. You can also find the video series on this channel. If one of these 11 reasons sound familiar to you, I will give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link that information for you in this video description. Also, you can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If you are drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We are going to banish it. I do a year-long thorough declutter series over on the blog. In this series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task and a weekly email. By the time you complete my series, you will have decluttered every room and every space in your home. To help you with that, I have declutter lists for each room over at dmiddleton.com. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Once the clutter is gone, you will spend far less time cleaning house. So don't keep things around that take up your valuable space and time. Declutter it. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.